the Crestron Home Configurator will automatically generate a deploy code during your configuration. You can right-click this code and paste it into the Crestron Home Setup app. Next, we will navigate over to the Crestron Home Setup app. If this were a new installation, one of the first steps would be a question on whether or not you want to use a deploy code. Since the system is already configured in this example, we are actually going to put in a deploy code that will completely overwrite the existing configuration. To do this, we will navigate to the gear icon. Then we will go to System Configuration, and then My Crestron Deploy Code Import. You can right-click, copy and paste, or you can use Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste on Windows. Then we will confirm the system import. Note that this will erase your entire configuration and replace it with the one that you made in the Crestron Home Configurator. After the system is imported, you will see a summary of the devices and rooms that were added or updated. If we navigate to Build Your House, we will see the rooms that we added. If we navigate to Pair Devices, we can see that the devices have been added to the appropriate rooms. Notice how they have a little orange triangle next to them. This indicates that it is a placeholder that you will need to replace when you pair the actual device with your system. For example, we have a thermostat in the center of the master bedroom page. We would need to add our thermostat, and they will ask us to replace the placeholder.